Hello and welcome to our video about cryptocurrency. In our previous segment, we introduced you to the basics of digital money and how it operates independently of a central bank. Now, we're going to explore some additional aspects of this exciting new technology.
First, let's talk about the advantages of cryptocurrency. One of the main benefits is the increased level of security it provides. Transactions made using cryptocurrencies are recorded on a public ledger, which cannot be altered without the consensus of the network. This makes it nearly impossible for fraudulent activities, such as double spending or counterfeiting, to take place. Additionally, cryptocurrencies provide a level of anonymity that traditional forms of payment do not, as users do not need to provide personal information to complete a transaction.
Another advantage of cryptocurrency is its speed and efficiency. Traditional financial transactions can take days to complete, especially when dealing with cross-border payments. Cryptocurrency transactions, on the other hand, can be completed in a matter of minutes, regardless of the location of the sender or recipient.
Now, let's talk about the challenges of cryptocurrency. One of the main challenges is its volatility. As we mentioned earlier, cryptocurrencies are not backed by any tangible assets and their value is determined solely by supply and demand in the market. This means that their value can fluctuate wildly and suddenly, making them a risky investment for many people.
Another challenge of cryptocurrency is its regulatory environment. As cryptocurrency is still a relatively new technology, many governments are struggling to determine how to regulate it. Some countries have outright banned cryptocurrency, while others have implemented strict regulations. This lack of consistency in regulation can make it difficult for businesses and individuals to adopt cryptocurrency as a legitimate form of payment.
Despite these challenges, cryptocurrency continues to gain popularity around the world. As of 2021, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies in circulation, with a combined market capitalization of over $2 trillion. Many businesses are beginning to accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment, and some countries are even exploring the possibility of creating their own digital currencies. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? Only time will tell, but it's clear that this technology is here to stay. As more people become comfortable with the idea of digital money and the benefits it provides, we can expect to see even more widespread adoption of cryptocurrency in the years to come. That's it for our video on cryptocurrency. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching.